Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to pay on Too Good To Go app. Now if you are using the Too Good To Go app but you don't know how to pay, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to pay for Too Good To Go app, you need to simply follow these steps. So simply watch the video till the very end. So first you need to select a surprise bag, and now to select a surprise bag you may go on the Too Good To Go app where you'll find various stores, and also you may simply select the thing which you want. From there you may also click on the option of browse, and also there is no store available in my area yet, but I'll simply guide you. You need to open the Too Good To Go app and you need to click on the option of browse, and here you'll see the surprise bags which are available near you. So you may also redirect your location and keep the location nearby. So after that you need to click on the option of reserve on the bag which you want, and you'll be taken into the payment page. So after you are taken to the payment page, you need to choose your payment method. So you may select the option of credit card, debit cards, or mobile app payments like Apple Pay or Google Pay. So after that you need to review your orders and click on the option pay to complete the purchase. So after that, after completing the purchase, you'll receive a confirmation in app under my purchase that will be sent on the email. So you will see the option like this, and you may go on settings and you'll see the option of payment cards, and also you may keep your payments card like this. So that's it. That's how you can pay on Too Good To Go app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.